All right, language explorers. So let's look at this week's Thursday adverbs. So currently, happening now, yeah. I'm currently writing the lesson. I'm currently recording the lesson. Yeah, you're currently learning from me. Yeah. I'm currently going through my to-do list, one thing at a time. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. So, I'm currently working on different projects. Yeah. Yeah. So videos, Spanish lessons, exercising, and reading. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. She is currently on a plane to Mexico. He is currently planning a trip to Spain. How cool is that? They are currently planning their wedding. Yeah. It is currently working. It is currently in the other room waiting for me. The file is currently in the folder over there. How cool is that? Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? So, it is something we are currently doing. Yeah. I have a list of things to record, and I'm currently recording the adverb videos. Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So he's currently writing. He's currently writing. Leave him alone. Yeah. She is currently reading. Leave her in peace. You don't bother her. She's currently reading. They think it's currently here. It might be currently here. It might be currently here, but who knows? I think it is currently in a safe. In a vault. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, safe. Currently, yeah. So, happening now. So, can you use currently in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More lessons to come, more videos to come, more on their way. How cool is that? And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, and Telegram when you search for English with Adrian. Yep. And you can find me on Udemy too when you search for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.